Welcome back to my channel. Superbowl is coming up and I have 3 easy crowd pleaser appetizers you can make to feed your guests. Let's start with loaded potato wedges. For this, you will need 3 large potatoes or 6 small potatoes. Start by cutting the potatoes into wedges. I'm not really sure why I started cutting them in circles at the beginning, but just cut them into wedges. Next, soak the potato wedges in cold water for about 5 minutes so they can release the starch. Then, place them on a paper towel or a kitchen towel and remove the excess water. This is going to allow the potato wedges to turn out crispy instead of soggy. Toss the potato wedges in a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Spread them in a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil or parchment paper. Then, bake them for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, flipping them over halfway through baking so they can crisp up on both sides. In the meantime, let's make the dressing. You will need half a cup of sour cream, 1 avocado, and the juice of half a lime. Blend them together until they're creamy, and if you need to add a little bit of milk to help with the blending, do so. Besides the sour cream avocado dressing, you're going to need shredded cheddar cheese, bacon bits, and green onions to top your potato wedges. When the potato wedges are cooked, move them to a greased baking sheet, overlapping them just a little bit. Cover them with shredded cheese and bake them for 5 more minutes. To finish them, top them with bacon bits, green onions, and the sour cream avocado dressing. Next, we have corn dog bites. Start by making the batter. In a small bowl, mix together 1 1/4 cups of flour, 3/4 cups of yellow cornmeal, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 4 tablespoons of sugar. In a different bowl, mix together 2 eggs and 1 cup of milk. Mix in the milk and eggs into the dry mixture until everything is well combined. Now cut hot dogs into 3 equal pieces. You can also use the little smokies, and since they are already small, you won't need to cut those. Use a spoon to dip the hot dogs in the batter, then pass them to a pan filled halfway with vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Fry the corn dog bites for about 15 seconds on each side, then transfer them to a plate with paper towels to take off the excess oil. Lastly, we have ham and cheese pockets. For this, you will only need pizza crust, ham, and cheddar cheese. I rolled out the pizza crust just a little bit so it wouldn't be so thick. Make sure you dust enough flour on your countertop because this dough is really sticky. Divide the dough into 6 equal rectangles. Then cut each piece into 2. Place a piece of ham and a little bit of cheddar cheese on top of one piece and cover it with the other half. Use your fingertips to seal all the edges. Then place the pockets in a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Lastly, brush the pockets with an egg wash, which is 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of water or milk mixed together. Bake them for 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And this brings us to the end of the video, guys. I hope you found these 3 recipes helpful for Super Bowl day. I have 2 more videos with more Super Bowl ideas for appetizers and desserts. You can find them on the right side of the screen. Also, don't forget to turn on your notifications bell to get notified when I upload. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.